Okay, so how to install pandas, and yeah, let's start it. So it's on the description. So we're gonna install this. So open your command line, copy this and paste it on here. Pip install pandas, because I already installed this one. So you're gonna do is pip list, and you see pandas. Okay, so this is the version. So how we gonna update it? Pip and pip update pandas, something like that. Not update, install pandas. So how we gonna upgrade it? Slash upgrade, something like that. And clear and pip list pandas. Let's find it. It's the latest version. And yeah, so 1.68. we're gonna upgrade one more time. So we're gonna upgrade, pip install upgrade pip. If you like don't have the older version, you can easily go to the latest version of this one. And you know what, and that's how you're gonna install it, and see you in the next video.